Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete your Skout account. You can easily delete or deactivate your Skout account anytime that you like by tapping on the Deactivate Account button within your settings page on Skout application. To see more details, keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Skout application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner and scroll all the way down until you find the settings option. Tap on settings. On the next page, you'll be able to see under account, there is a button that says deactivate account. As you can see that there's no delete your account option in the Skout account. If you want to delete your account permanently, then you'll need to contact customer service and request your account deletion. But however, Skout offers an easy option for deactivation. Remember that deactivating your account is not a permanent solution. If you deactivate your account will be left inactive, but your profile for your account will be remained intact. If you don't want permanent goodbye from Skout, then deactivating your account will be the best solution for you. Simply tap on deactivate account from this option and tap on deactivate. Give any feedbacks about why you are trying to deactivate your account in the text box, and finally tap on deactivate to deactivate your account on Skout. If you want to permanently get rid of your account, go open up one of your email accounts and tap on compose. Into the to text box, type in support@themeetgroup.com. And once you do that, type in the subject for your email. Now compose your email into the body of the text. For example, let me type in, "Hi, I want you to delete my Skout account since I don't want to use it anymore." Once you type in the email, you can simply tap on the send button in the top right corner and send your messages. Now all you need to do is to wait for your email that will be sent from the customer service of Skout, which will guide you through the process on how you can delete your account. And they'll help you delete your account for your Skout. That is the only way you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.